This is the 5-decade inductance board. So there's 3 ways to interface with it. You got a 2-pin 0.1-inch header. You got a standard 4mm banana plugs. You got a 0.1-inch pitch 2-pin terminal block. So to use this device, say you want 5 microhenries. So you're going to go to the 1 microhenry range. You're going to turn on that 5. So what we're going to do is turn that 5 on. And then the other ranges, you need to make sure that switch 10 is on so that it passes through. So you turn the others 10 on, and that's a pass through. And you just have the 5 on, and you got to make sure the 10 on that range is off. And the output now on any 3 of these would be 5 microhenries. If we want, say, 10 microhenries, we'll turn off the 5, turn on the pass-through, turn off the pass-through on the 10 microhenry range, and turn on the 1. And that would be 10 microhenries. There we go, and that would be 10 microhenries. Okay, this is the 5-decade inductance board. So right now, I have the headers connected to this LCR meter. So you can see we got 95 microhenries. Right now I have switch 1 on the 100 microhenry range. This is within 10% of this range. And also the other range switches, switch 10, need to be on. That's bypass mode. So if we want, say, 200 microhenries, we're going to turn off switch 1. We're going to turn on switch 2, and that gives us 200 microhenries. If we want 300, say let's 700, we're going to turn on the 7. That's going to give us our 700 microhenries within 10%. Okay, thank you.